Okay, testing 1 2 3. Just sorting out stuff, waiting for a few people to come on before we do a top-down analysis. Okay, so we're just waiting for a few people to hop in before we start doing our top-down analysis. Yeah. Okay, welcome to the PNG Pacific Capital live streams, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. Before we do any top-down analysis, we're just going to check Forex Factory if we have any high impact news coming up for this session. We have a couple of bank holidays over here. We have the CHF bank holiday, the Euro bank holiday, French bank. The German banks are closed at this point. We do have unemployment claims coming out later on during NY session tonight, but you know. Hey foes, what's up? Amazing, bro. Welcome to the streams, bro. How you doing, bro? Yeah, but I think we're gonna have a good clean price action session today. Anyways, just gonna do a quick rundown of our top-down analysis starting on the monthly time frame. Now, the monthly candle is pretty much bearish at this point after breaking above the previous week monthly candle high. Actually, starting to push bearish at this point. Looking at the weekly time frame, dropping down now to the weekly candle, we have clear weekly resistance at 2017.50, and we also have price trading a little bit below this weekly support level at 1982.50, which is this previous weekly support that was formed on Monday, the 24th of April. If we do continue bearish, we could potentially come down to 1970. That could be our next stop if we do continue bearish on the weekly time frame. So hopping now onto the daily time frame. Yesterday's daily candle closed slightly below these resistance areas right over here on the daily time frame at around 1982.50, and we're actually pushing bearish at this point. If we do continue bearish, we could potentially fill all this wick to the left here, potentially coming down to 1970. And if you do have some more bearish momentum, you could potentially fill this wick over here, this April 3rd daily candle wick, and potentially come down to this next support area at 1956. So that's the daily candle. We have been bearish since Tuesday, so we'll see if we can continue this bearish momentum. Looking at the forward candle right now, the current forward candle is actually bearish. Just looking at the recent structure on the forward time frame, we can clearly see how we have a resistance on the forward time frame in 1984. This resistance was formed on the previous bearish forward candle right here, and we also have the current forward candle driving bearish at this point. If we do continue bearish, we might potentially come down to 1975. We tapped into this level at last night. Actually, we tapped into this level last night. We'll see if we can tap into that level again. Looking at the hour time frame now. Just looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have the current 1 hour candle actually starting to open right now, and we can clearly see how this previous 1 hour candle never really closed below this minor 1 hour support area that was formed last night at 12 a.m. So this support is at 1977.50. If we do have some more rejections of it, then we might potentially push bullish. We'll see, but we'll see. So from this resistance in 1977 down to this 4 hour wick is a 25 pip range. Not too sure if I want to be taking any trades in this range. Looking to the left, so much rejections to the left. Ideally, we'd like to take sells below 1977, but then, man, I'm not too confident taking sells at the moment, to be honest. We'll have to wait. We'll have to wait and see how. Maybe wait to see some sort of resistance forming, and then if we do break the resistance, then we're gonna see if we can correct some of these moves here. Can potentially adjust our 1 hour zones up to our most recent resistance area, which is at 1985.320, and this is a pretty good range to be taking in trades in. Currently bullish at this point. Really don't want to be rushing into any trades right now. This is the 70 pip range, so just have to be patient and see how things pan out. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, the 30-minute time frame is a little bit tricky at this point. You know, we have this 30-minute candle closing in the next 15 minutes. So if we do close bullish, maybe, just maybe, we could potentially correct some of these moves coming up here. Yeah. So we're just gonna have our daily time frame on the far left hand side of our screen. We'll have the 4 hour time frame right here, and we have the 1 hour time frame here and the 30-minute time frame there. So that way we have an overall view of things, and we'll see how we can capitalize on this. Hey folks, how you doing, bro? What's up? What's up? I think Ronald took a trade on Discord. I haven't really been looking at Discord lately, so we'll see. We are actually starting to push bullish right now. Yeah, we might correct some of these moves coming up. Just have to be very, very patient on this one. Could actually start drawing bullish, to be honest. Yeah, this 30-minute candle closes in the next 8 minutes. We're starting to break above the previous 30-minute candle high now. I think we could actually start ripping towards the highs now, to be honest. Would have gotten in here, but I wanna wait for the best possible entry to take. Could have gotten in right here, to be honest. Yeah, but it's okay. Actually starting to push bullish on the 4 time frame right now. Pushing back bullish. Actually starting to rip up now. Actually having volume come in at this point. Okay, we have this 30-minute candle closing in the next, what, 4 minutes? It's gonna be interesting. I think our brother Ron is in longs on gold. Where can I find your group? Discord, bro. You can get in touch with us on Discord. I think we have a link on the IG. We also have a link on the YouTube description, so you can always get in touch through Discord, Instagram. You know. Man, I get this question all the time. What do you think about ICT, man? I have no idea what ICT is, bro. Man, that is a massive, that's a massive 30-minute candle right there. We also have the daily candle starting to come back up now. Just want to see how price reacts off this 30-minute resistance in 1982. I mean, we do have a 30-minute resistance over here, but on the hour candle, it's just clean traffic coming up all the way. So, we'll see. We'll see. What is a good time to trade gold? Man, whenever you have time, gold is always moving. The chances of you catching 1 pip, 2 pips, 3 pips, 4 pips on gold is just amazing. So, never a good time to trade. I mean, there's never a bad time to trade gold. Especially if you're a scalper, you just need to have good strategy in place and good risk management. You can catch a move on gold anytime you come on the chart. Man, what the hell are we listening to? We have the new 30-minute candle opening right now. Man, that's a massive move on the 30-minute time frame. Where's my other phone? Shit, guys, I'll be back. Holy shit, look at this 30-minute candle starting to retrace right now. Just gonna do I think we could get in on gold buys today too. Yeah. Hey, Abdicol is back in the chats. What's up, bro? How you doing, bro? Doing good, bro. Doing good. Just trying to put an IG story here. See if we can have some people hopping from IG. I think we're gonna have some nice buys coming in, bro. Might have some nice buys coming in, so. Which pair and time is it, please? This is gold and it's London session right now. I think we have a couple more minutes until London open, so just chilling right now, guys. So we have a nice bullish previous 30-minute candle here, bounced right off of support, and we also have this 30-minute candle slowly starting to retrace at this point. So we have 22 minutes until this 30-minute candle and the 1-hour candle closes, so just really trying to see how we can capitalize on this move right here. It's gonna stick to the 30-minute time frame. This one, see if we can get an entry at the 30-minute time frame. I don't use your strategy, but risk management is very important. Mate, couldn't agree more. Risk management, regardless of what your strategy is very important. One of the main components of risk management is having a stop loss and position sizing. Really know, you really have to know what your position sizes are and be able to examine where you can have a stop loss that's logical. Let's take a look at GBP/JPY. I haven't looked at GBP/JPY for a while, so let's see what GBP/JPY is doing right now. Looking at the daily time frame, we have the previous daily candle on GBP/JPY bullish. Current daily candle is actually bearish at this point. Insane moves on the 4-hour time frame yesterday during NY session. Really broke above in the 4-hour time frame. We had this 4-hour candle from London breaking above all this resistance here. The next 4-hour candle after that is actually ripped up towards the highs. Looking at the 1-hour candle, looking at the 1-hour time frame on GBP/JPY, it's tricky on the 1-hour time frame. The previous 1-hour candle closed bearish. Could have had a nice entry right here, to be honest. Would have caught 10 pips over here. Yeah, right now we do have clean traffic to the left on the 1 hour time frame on GJ, so if you can have some good confirmations to get in on more sales, then that would be great. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, yeah, very nice clean ranges to the left on GJ. So if you're gonna be looking to take a trade on GJ, I think sales looking more appealing, to be honest. There we go. Definitely correct some of these moves that happened yesterday, this bullish run yesterday. So could potentially come down to 171.050. Yeah, potentially. Pretty much stuck on gold right now. Our focus is on gold right now. So yeah, we'll see how this 1 hour candle closes. We might get in on buys, to be honest. We might get in on buys on this one.
They love it when I turn up the bass.
Why is the horizontal line at 1977.50? Well, that's clearly a support area right here. Come on, man. Yeah, we have support here, so really anticipating it to be a, I'm really anticipating this to hold, to be honest. I might take a trade here based on the 1 hour time frame. If this 1 hour candle closes bullish, then that could be more confirmation that this support area is gonna hold for the next 1 hour candle to drive bullish. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, it's just a whole mess on the 4-hour time frame, to be honest. So much rejection towards the bottom side. I think we could start to have some bullish pressure coming in now. We'll just have to wait to see how this kind of closes in the next 13 minutes. Is Forex haram? Man, I don't even know, bro. Would you recommend Mark Douglas contents? And that guy is pretty good. That guy is pretty good at like the psychological aspect of trading, psychology and the mental, and but I don't know if he's a legit trader. I haven't seen any results to prove so. But it's good at yeah. I'd say he's good with his teaching psychology, trading psychology. How many years did it take you to be profitable? 2 years. Do you delete the videos after your stream? No. The videos are here to stay forever. Staying here forever, bruh. Which lot size do you suggest for beginners? Depends on your account size. If you have 100 lots, if you have $100 in your account, suggest you pop like 0.02, 0.02, so you can have a chance to cut to 0.01 if you decide to manage risk. How much you made this month? I actually haven't checked. I'll check at the end of the month. Your trade yesterday during another session would have ended up working out. Yeah, could have closed out a little bit too early there. Only because I got bent out. I mean, just didn't want to be in that trade anymore. Yeah, we might see a change of trend here. It's gonna be very interesting. It's gonna be very, very interesting now. Don't like looking at the 50-minute time frame, but you know, could use that as an extra confirmation to get in on buys. Any news today? No, I don't. Only a couple of bank holidays here and there, but the London session is still open. So, holy shit! Look at this retracement on the 30-minute time frame as well. Check the 30-minute time frame here. The fuck? What's happening here? My bad. Holy shit, take a look at this. This is why we have to wait patiently for confirmations. I have to be very patient with confirmations. Let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame right now. So we have a break of the previous 1-hour candle high. Maybe we're just grabbing some liquidity to drive bearish. Who knows? We'll see how this 1-hour candle closes in the next 7 minutes. We'll see. This right here is not the best range to be taking a trade in. Not feeling this range. Looking to the left. Yeah. It's just tricky. Just have to be patient on this. So everything is printing bearish at this point. The daily is bearish, the 4-hour time frame is bearish, the 1-hour time frame is bearish, the 30-minute time frame is bearish. What currencies you're trading in? I'm not trading on MT4, I'm trading on MT5. What am I drinking? Coffee. Best coffee in town. 3-in-1. Yeah. Is gold testing support? Yeah, gold is pretty much testing support right now. If he rejects the 3rd time, we might get in on buys. This one cannot closes in the next 5 minutes. So we'll see how it closes off this support. We already had indication that the support was holding on the 30-minute time frame. Now, if we have another confirmation on the 1-hour time frame, that we might look to get in on buys. Otherwise, probably wait for another 30-minute candle closure. Maybe. Things are a little bit tricky right now on gold, so I'm just staying away from it until I see something that I recognize. Missing a trade is always better than losing a trade. So if you don't see anything that you recognize, then there's really no need to be forcing trades. It's not a break below now. 4 minutes until this candle closes. Hey, Lucky. Hi, bro. Good afternoon, bro. What's up? How you doing, brother? It's been a while. What psychological advice do you have if you are now finding trading as psychological advice? I'll just give you one. Turn your toolbox off. Don't focus on the profits. Don't focus on the numbers. Focus on the setups. Take quality setups only. Lux said I'm fine, thank you. How about you? I'm doing great. Actually, Thank you for asking. You been busy? Haven't seen you on the stream for a while. Like I said, dollar is strong, or we go further down. Yeah, I mean, maybe. We'll see. Guys, we have 3 minutes until this candle closes. I'm gonna be back. So this candle is closing just below support. At this point, we're not taking any trades. I'm not too comfortable in taking any trades in this range here. It's a pretty small range, and to the left is so many rejections to the left. So I think we're just forming good clean traffic to potentially drive bullish. So it's gonna wait for buys, confirmations on buys. Like I said, maybe a potential test of 1974. Potentially. Yeah, at this point, not taking any trades. This 4 candle is extremely bearish at this point. Daily candle is also bearish. Daily actually looks good to try bearish, to be honest. It's a little bit tricky right now. Should we buy gold now? Up to you, mate. I'm not gonna take any buys on gold yet. We're not taking any buys unless we get some strong confirmations. Really shouldn't hop in and buys unless you have some like a good reason to do so. Just don't take buys unnecessarily. Just have to be patient. We could probably just wait for the next 30-minute candle to close. Yeah, that's what I think. Because at this point, we're pretty much in. Right now, in this no trade range. This is a small range, so a lot of rejections to the left too. So yeah, gonna wait for the 30-minute candle to close. And we'll see if we can take buys to correct some of these moves over here coming up. How do you deal with psychological pain after a big loss? Well, first of all, you shouldn't really put yourself in a position that that's gonna cause you to lose big. But if you do have a big loss, one, review that trade, how and why you took that big loss, what you could have done better, what you shouldn't have done. What you missed out, what was your mistakes, your strengths, your weakness. So reviewing the trade is one. Two, reduce your position size on the next trade. Three, before you reduce your position size, it's always good to take some time away from the chart too, maybe a day or two, take some time out, refresh your mind, and then come back. But yeah, I think you should always review. Forbes said, bro, I couldn't access the live stream for about 15 minutes. What come, bro? Is it because of your internet or my stream? What message, bro? I don't know, bro. Not too sure. Oh shit. Sorry, bruh. Yeah, you didn't miss out much. I haven't really taken any trades yet. This is approaching an area where there's so much rejection, so just being very, very careful with this one. The only clean traffic I see is towards the top, back above the support area. So if we get some confirmations, maybe a candle closure back above support at 1977.50, then we might look to take buys. For sales, man, sales is just not too sure about sales right now, bro. Do you consider a sell stop below the previous? Nah, man. So we're actually starting to drive bullish at this point. Maybe we can start driving bullish right now. Yeah, we could definitely start driving bullish right now. If you take a trade pre-market, do you look for the 30-minute or the 1-hour confirmations? Both. 30-minute, sometimes 30-minute, sometimes the 1-hour, sometimes the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is actually a pretty nice time frame to be taking a trade on. You just have to be very, very patient. Because price might take a while to hit your come to target. So, and if you're gonna take a trade on the 4-hour time frame, you might be in a drawdown for like an hour or two. So, so yeah, I think the 30-minute time frame is better. I love taking trades on the 30-minute time frame and the 1-hour time frame. I don't mind being in a drawdown for like an hour. But you know, if I'm in a drawdown for more than 2 hours, that's gonna be a problem. How many trades do you take a day? Two to three trades a day. Could take more, but there we go. Look at the 30-minute time frame. We're slowly starting to push back above the support area. And if you have a nice candle closure above here, I will not hesitate to take a buy if we start breaking towards the highs. But we might take the lows out at 1975. That's the only issue that we have. We might take the lows out. What school do you go to learn how to trade? That's a good question. I don't know, man. I don't know if there are any institutions out there who teach you how to execute. It's just like, yeah, I don't know. I don't think there is. I don't think there is. You have to get yourself a mentor. Get yourself a mentor if you really wanna excel. There we go, starting to trade back above this 1 hour support area at 1977.50, 54. So just waiting to see if we can have a nice 30-minute candle close. We'll see. Foes asked, bro, I've actually been wanting to ask, who is Ronald? But Ronald is a fellow brother here where I'm from. He's actually been funded multiple times on FTMO, so he's a pretty good swing trader. And yeah, he likes taking trades on gold, swing trades, so the thing I like about Ronald is his risk management. He only sometimes take only one or two trade a week, so you know what he's doing works. So he's pretty good. He's pretty good. He's a good swing trader on gold and other pairs. He doesn't only trade gold. He's also very good with silver. So the thing with him compared to me is he has the patience to hold trades like long periods of time. He even holds like limit orders for like quite a while, to be honest. It's pretty good. He's a little bit he's a little younger than me, but you know, this guy is an old soul, to be honest. We might be here for a while. Actually, we might be here for a while. Do you trade gold every day around this time or other sessions? Well, I used to trade other sessions, but mostly focused on London session right now. Yeah. So this 30-minute candle closes in the next 11 minutes. It's getting a little bit tricky right now. Greetings from Northern Ireland. Hello there. What are commissions? Commissions are the price you pay to execute a trade. We'll give away. Maybe soon. Soon. How to count pips? On TradingView, you just go here and then you measure. You click this tool right here, and you click on your zone and measure the zone by clicking, dragging to a different zone. And when you see this number right here, this one, this is the number of points actually. So the number of pips would be like this number divided by 10, yeah, and then you have like 40 pips. So this is a 40 pip range. That's basically how I count my pips gold. Yeah, I think this is the time where volume is starting to die down a little bit now. Tricky. So this is our no trade range, just to make things clear. I'm not looking to take any trades in this range. Where would you consider putting your stops? I don't know. I'm not gonna trade it. If you do take a trade, then yeah. If you do take a trade, then we'll see where we put our stops. Fake out. Hopefully this is a fake out. Hopefully there's a fake out, and we can do a double bottom or whatever you call it, and then start driving bullish. Gold's starting to exhaust a little bit now, so if we can have some nice confirmations that price is going to drive bullish, then I will be very happy to get in. What motivates you, my kids? Honestly. Nothing else, bro. I have to make it for my kids. What's happening on USD CAD? I don't trade USD CAD. I don't think it's a good time to be trading USD CAD right now unless you head into NY session, especially if you're trying to scalp. I don't know. How many guns do you have? A million. What times do you go to the gym? I like to go in like not in the morning, maybe around lunchtime or after lunch. Yeah. So what I do in the mornings is I fast the whole morning, I get some other work done, and then maybe lunchtime, around lunch or 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, I go to the gym, do some high volume workout, and then when I'm done from the gym, then I basically get ready for London session. So yeah, that's pretty much. If you take a trade, are you gonna hold for long? I don't know. We'll decide that if we get in another trade. Right now I'm looking for something, I'm waiting for something that I recognize, something that makes sense on gold. Right now everything doesn't make sense at this point. Yeah, we just have to be very patient. Gold is at an area where there's so much rejection in this area, so we might have another rejection. So we might push through with volume from London, but you know. Can't be too sure. We finally have this 30-minute candle closing in 2 minutes, so we'll see how it closes. Will it go up? I don't know. Hopefully, we'll see. There we go. Starting to push back up into this range right now. That could be OQ. 2 minutes until this candle closes, so you have to be very, very patient with this. Actually, might have a trade in the next one. 1 minute, 2 minutes. Actually, we might have a trade in the next 2 minutes. Patient. Let's see. Tricky. How many pips is this if you're gonna get a trade in this one? 20 pips. In on this one, guys. Guys, I just got in on this trade. We have this 30-minute candle closing back in this range here, so I'm expecting this next 30-minute candle to be bullish now. There we go. So we're actually going to be focused on the 30-minute time frame on this. Our entry is here, and our stop loss is going to be below the previous forward candle. We're going to be targeting these highs here. That's our trade for long session. Our exact entry is at what's his entry? 1978 4. Okay, amazing. We're gonna have the 1 hour time frame popped on this other side right here. Amazing, guys, amazing. I actually have a good feeling about this. I actually have a really good feeling about this. we go. Do you have a risk management course? No, I don't have any course right now. Might work on something a little later on, but not at this point in time. Did you enter trade and gold yesterday? Yeah, we did. NY session last night. Yeah. Actually took the trade in the live stream, made around like a little over $150 last night. Not a bad trade. I cut my trade a little too early and price ripped for like another 200 pips. But it's okay. Amazing. So this is going to be our only trade for London session. Yeah, gonna be our only trade for London session.